What's good? Welcome back to the channel. 2009 Volkswagen Routan SEL 4.0 liter. We're getting ready to change the coolant temp sensor, which is located over here. Okay, so over here, that's your coolant temp sensor here, and we're gonna slide this tab back. Let's see if I can get a good shot. Slide this tab back right there, and you're gonna push it in and pull it out. All right, so I accidentally hit stop, but we left off right here at the coolant temp sensor. So we're gonna move this out the way a little bit, tuck this wire out to the side for a minute, and don't forget that it's there. And we already slid our tab back, this tab right here, slide it back, and we're gonna push this in and push it forward. You might need a screwdriver or something to assist. There we go. All right, so now we got this out. Now you're gonna need either a 19 millimeter or a three-quarter inch wrench. So the 19 is gonna have just a little bit of slight play to it, but it will break it free. 3/4 fits very flush, and you're gonna rotate it towards the passenger side. Once you get on there, take it back. You're gonna go to the driver's side. Just trying to make sure we're loosening. There we are. And you're gonna have to flip over your wrench back and forth, coming to the driver's side to loosen it. So let's go ahead and do so. Flipping my wrench back and forth. Make sure I ain't blocking the camera too much. And then we're gonna match up the part here in a moment. And let's check the plugs and everything just to make sure we have the correct one. Still a little tight. You might lose some fluid, you might not, so just have your catch pan underneath. And just take your time. Alright, should be able to loosen this by hand, hopefully. Not quite. Just about hand tight now. Yep, that should get it. And the engine is still kind of hot, so I'm just being very careful. All right, there's a little fluid. Got our old sensor out. So let's get a new one and match it up. And let's see how much coolant we're gonna lose. We're losing quite a bit. And let's see what we can do to block that a little bit. All right, so I know I got a leak. I want to match this guy up. I'll set that there for a minute. And let's match up our connector. And we have the wrong one because the connector head is different. Let's see what we got, just to make sure. And yep, connector head is too big, so we're gonna have to take this and go get the right one. But this is how you remove it, and we're gonna go get the right one, match it up correctly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. This one only has one slide-in sleeve there. So yep, gotta go get the right one, and we will proceed on the procedure. And this one's a little longer as well. So, yep, time to go get the right one, and we'll be back to finish installing it. All right, so we back from the parts store. We was not able to find the correct coolant temperature sensor, just like the one I showed in the video. This has the 6 sleeves on it, so we couldn't find it. So we're gonna have to install this one, call the dealership, and give them the VIN number to order it. But we went to Advance, we went to O'Reilly, we went to AutoZone, and we went to Speedway Auto Parts, and still couldn't find it with the correct connector. So, yep, we're gonna put this guy back in and proceed to the next level. We're gonna top off our coolant just to make sure we're good there. But yep, sometimes it's like that, and you gotta go to the dealership. So let's get it back in. And no matter what, it needs to be in there. And let's get it in the groove. There we go. Now you want to hand tighten it as much as you can. And after you get it hand tight as much as you can, let's go ahead and start cranking this bad boy. Flipping it back and forth. See if we got any more twists. Nope. Very tight spot. Hopefully that's good. Maybe not. We'll just hold it. Yep, getting tight. Be like this sometimes. When you can't find the right part. These gnats and bugs leave my legs alone today. I'll be happy. And you're just gonna keep going till it stops. Not too tight, but you want it to stop. Yeah, bugs. And we're getting there. But yeah, this is how you change it. And hopefully you made it through the video. You see me doing I call it the pancake method. Flipping it back over, under. And let's see, we're almost there. Almost tight. And that's it. Alright, let's go ahead and connect our connector back. Get it on there. Well, maybe we gotta spin it a couple more. I'll see if we got any more spin. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to reposition it. And one more spin, let's see. Still going quite a bit. So we want to make sure it's tight enough. Okay, we're just about there. And it's starting to line up itself with these connector piece again. And there we go. And let's slide this on. Make sure we're on. Nope. Check our connector plug. Want it to click So let me get that to click, but this is how you replace it. And hopefully you're able to find the correct one that has the 6 sleeves. Sometimes they'll make an extra connector and you have to change over the wiring. But yep, this is how you change the temperature sensor. Hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe if this helps you change your temperature sensor on your 2009 Volkswagen Routan. And always know rest is the enemy on these things. And until the next video, guys, be safe, live life, love it, and I'm out.